I am utilizing the Bit Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bit Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select WS Form. To integrate the WS Form, go to the WS Form and navigate to the action. To add a new action, click on the plus icon and give it a meaningful name. Choose action. Choose type. Give here a hook tag. So go to the integration site. Under the note, copy the hook tag, then paste it on the WS Form. Save and close it. Now go to your integration site and choose a form. Next, search and select Actions. Pabbly. Give here the webhook link. So visit Pabbly dashboard. Create workflow. Give a name. Create. Search a trigger webhook. Copy the webhook URL and paste it here. Body. Send all data. Choose application JSON. Test webhook. Webhook executed successfully. Done. Next. Finish and save it. Now go to Pabbly site and choose Actions. Airtable. Choose Action Event. Create record. Connect. Add new connection. Give here token. So click on Developer Hub. Create token. Give here a token name. Add scopes. Add a base. Create token. Copy the token and paste it here. Save. Map the respective fields. Save. Let's submit a form. Submit it. Form submitted successfully. Now go to Airtable site, and here you can see the data came successfully in Airtable via Pabbly. Thanks for watching.